Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel if you are a returnee. And if you are new here and first time to come by, welcome to my channel. My name is Carmela Baylon, and in this video, I am going to teach you about summarizing. And of course, I would like to thank my friend Mylene for giving me an idea to cover this topic today. But before we get into the lesson, please don't forget to click that subscribe button below and the notification bell so you will always be notified when I upload new videos every week. And of course, you are free to share my videos to your friends or anyone whom you think would be needing help with their lessons. And also, please click the like icon because that would help my channel to reach other people. Now, let's get straight into the lesson. What is summarizing? Summarizing means telling the story in a shortened form. So that means you have to make the story short. That's what the word summarize means, to shorten the story or the selection. But how are you going to do that? So here are the steps to summarize a story. First, read and understand every detail in the story. Second, break the information down into sections. And third, a summary is usually written in paragraph form. Now, let's try to do these steps in this story. For the first step, read and understand every detail in the story. So, let's read and understand the story. The Lion and the Mouse by Aesop. Once upon a time, there lived a lion and a mouse. One day, while the lion was sleeping, the mouse started playing on top of it. The lion was awakened and angrily caught the mouse. The lion was going to kill the mouse. But the mouse asked for forgiveness. So the lion forgave him and let him go. After a few days, the lion got caught in a net. When the mouse saw the lion helplessly trapped in the net, he helped the lion by cutting the net with his teeth. The lion was freed from the trap. The lion thanked the mouse and they became friends. So now that we have read the story, it's time for us to get to step 2. Break the information down into sections. Just remember, in summarizing, you may use the same words from the story, but usually we restate the given information. That means you use your own words and say it in a slightly different way. But take note, when you use your own words, you have to make sure that the idea or the story would not change. Kapag sinabing restate, binibigay natin ang impormasyon gamit ang sarili nating salita. Siguraduhin lamang na kung gagamit ng sariling salita, ang kwento ay hindi dapat mababago. Now let's break down the details in the story. Take a look at these questions on the left, and let's put the answers to these questions on the right. So as we read, we may ask this question to ourselves. What is the story about? Tungkol saan ang kwento? So the answer to this will be the topic of the story. So what is the story about? It's about the lion and the mouse who became friends. Now let's ask ourselves this next question. Who are the characters in the story? So the answer to this are the characters. Ang sagot dito ay ang mga tauhan. The characters in the story are the lion and the mouse. So we already have the topic and the characters. Now, let's figure out the next question. What are the important details? Makikita natin na ang hinahanap dito ay ang mga importante o mahahalagang detalye. So the answer to this would be the main idea and other important things or important events. Ano ba ang mga mahahalagang pangyayari na binigay sa kwento? So when you are looking for the important details or important events, the setting may be included. So the setting tells us where and when the story happened. And of course, the important details or events. Now, events must be given in the right sequence. Kailangan maibigay sa tamang pagkakasunod-sunod ang mga pangyayari. So what are the important details in this story? So we have, when the mouse has awakened the lion from his sleep, the lion wanted to kill the mouse. The second one, when the mouse asked for forgiveness, the lion forgave him and let him go. So after the lion let go of the mouse, what happened next? That's how we got our third important detail. When the lion needed help from being trapped, the mouse helped and freed him. So now that we have broken down the information from the story, think of all these important information and put them together as if you are going to tell another person about the story. So now let's move to the third step. A summary is usually written in a paragraph. We are going to write the summary in paragraph form. So what we're going to do is just combine all the information that we have broken down from the story. So let's get all the information that we have given earlier for the topic, characters, and the important details, and get them all together. And here is our summary of the story. The story is about the lion and the mouse who became friends. It happened one day when the mouse has awakened the lion from his sleep. The lion wanted to kill the mouse. When the mouse asked for forgiveness, the lion forgave him and let him go. When the lion needed help from being trapped, the mouse helped and freed him. And there it is. We just summarized the story about the lion and the mouse. It's easy, right? Now you might ask, why do I need to learn to summarize? How is it going to help me? A lot, actually. Summarizing is important because it helps you to, first, remember what you have read. Because you have to see and understand every detail in the story. Kailangan mong intindihin ang bawat nangyayari sa kwento. Second is, it helps you to focus on the important details that are worth remembering. So, kailangan mong tandaan kung ano ang mga mahahalagang detalye sa kwento. And another one is, it helps you to understand the story well. Because as you summarize, you are actually building the idea concretely in your mind. So habang nagsasummarize ka, ay mas nagiging konkreto na sa isip mo ang mga pangyayari at ideya ng kwento. Kaya malaking tulong ang pagsasummarize para maintindihan natin ng husto ang binasa natin. So, now, do you think you will be able to summarize stories? Of course you can do it. Just try to do what we did in this video. You can watch this video again and again if you still need a guide to summarize stories. So, that's all for summarizing. I hope this video helped you. And if you think this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to click the like icon. It will help my channel grow. And if you have a comment or suggestion of other topics for my next video, feel free to type them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and watch out for my new video next week. Thank you, and I'll see you again on my next video. Bye!